When does a project start? Well, Excel always thinks it's the next day. I think a project starts on the day it says project start. Again, it's a point of argument, and I've been saying this all along. When you're calculating this stuff, be careful. This is just a very simple correction, if you will. If your project actually starts on your project start day, which it should, you have two choices. You can use this max min minus max to determine. All we're doing is taking project end date, subtracting it, and then the start date from it. We're actually getting 3 days. Here, the analogy is you count fence posts. Do we work on the project start date? Yeah, so it's basically C5 minus B5 plus 1. I showed you this earlier, okay? But here's a technical way of doing it. If you have a project, you can use project end 439. We have project end, which is G6. G6 here, 615. You can use project start, which is 115. And what we're doing is we're going to take the max date, which is going to be 38 minus 35, and we're going to get 4. Notice we're going to add 1, and then because we're using max, we use number F9. What's the max? 4. And again, we're using the same approach. Over here, I just took min project end. This is project end, and it's G6. Got it? Min, which is 124 C5. We're going to reference C5. So we're taking 124. Then we're just taking the project start, which is 122. Then I'm just taking I5 minus J5 plus 1. A lot of point of argument. Again, I'm counting fence posts. If you're stating your project starts the next day, you should add an extra day to your calculation. Otherwise, implement this C5 minus B5 plus 1, or just use this max min, and you can carry that through your entire project. Makes it real clean and simple. Over here, read it if you need it, and then the min max, you pretty much had a feel for that. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.